to stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. Take a picture you want to send. After that, on right side, you'll find infinity sign. Click on infinity sign and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Make it 1 second or 2 seconds. After doing that, simply send your snap. When you open it, there is no save option in your chat or simply in your camera roll. This is how to stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.